Allu gweld. Bore da. Just yn aros eiliad i weld os mae popeth yn gweithio. Be sy'n angen? Dillad addas. Pawb yn dillad addas. Bach o lle. Os chi'n adre, if you're at home, make sure you've got a bit of space. Neu, os you're in ysgol, if you're in school, make sure you've got some space hefyd. So mae digon o lled gyda ni. Okay. Croeso I Ffit Yn 5. Heddi, ni'n neud bach o cardio. Today we're going to do some cardio. Beth yw cardio? Ni'n mynd I gweithio'r calon. We're going to work the heart. So lots of quick movements. Okay. We're not going to be doing balances. Ni ddim yn neud beth fel cydbwysau. We're going to work the heart today. So we're going to do a little bit of sweating. Cyn ni'n dechrau. Fel ni'n cael ymlaen. Planhigion, this is my plant. Fern. It's a fern. Very clever. A hefyd, mae fe'n diwrnod llyfrau'r byd, okay? World Book Day heddi. So, man yma'n dangos I chi my favourite book, Lord of the Rings. A quote hefyd o Lord of the Rings sy'n really hoffi. Even the smallest person can change the course of the future. A fi'n really hoffi hwnna. So os ni gyd yn neud pethau da a gweithio galed, we can change the course of the future. Okay, so just rhywbeth I meddwl am biti. Okay, ni'n mynd I dechrau. Twymo lan. Okay, so yr un gyntaf, mewn eich lle, in your space, we're going to jog forwards and neud football pass, okay? So ni'n mynd lawr, imaginary ball, a neud pass. Offa ni, just mynd I dechrau off, just twymo lan y coesau. We're going to warm up the legs. A lot of leg work today because we're going to be moving. Side pass. Okay, defnyddio'r trad yn yr ochr, tu fewn. Neu, if you want to do a volley bach. Nôl ymlaen. Good. Cadw fynd. Keep working. The heart is starting to think, oh, we're working here. Okay. So mae'n dechrau pump o'r gwad rwan, starting to pump the blood around and starting to beat faster. Da iawn. Couple more. Un arall. Okay, tro yma, we're still going to be jogging forwards. We've got an imaginary ball, okay? When you get to the end, you're going to pass the imaginary ball. Ti'n mynd I pasio'r pêl, a wedyn jog yn ôl, okay? So mae'r pêl da ni, ymlaen, pass, a nôl. Jog ymlaen, pass. Chest pass I hwn, okay, ni'n dechrau fan hyn, a push. Good, nôl ymlaen. Push. Good. Couple more. Allwn ni wneud hwn mewn pêl-droed neu pêl-fasged. You do this. Basketball or netball. A nôl. Okay, da iawn. Tro yma. Side steps, nôl ymlaen. Okay. So just, gyda hwn, ti'n edrych un ochr. You face one way. Because fi'n dod lan. Left side, a wedyn fi'n mynd nôl. So ddim angen newid, okay? Nôl ymlaen. Offa ni. Breakau, cydbwysau, use your arms for balance. Don't keep them like a pencil. Good. Go as quick or as slow as you want, because we're warming up. Pawb yn wahanol, everyone's different. Good. Okay, da iawn. Nes mynd I wneud kicks, okay? 7 llonydd, the little kicks out, straight leg. Bit of balance, bach o cydbwysau. Nôl ymlaen, back. Gyda hamstrings ni, so hamstrings tu ôl. O, defnyddio breichau os ti angen. A swap o droso, swap over. Make sure ti ddim yn cico neb. Make sure you're not kicking anyone. Good. Whoa. Okay, da iawn. Pawb yn sefyll, everyone standing. Ni'n mynd i pigo pen glin lan. We're going to pick one knee up. I'll try hug. We're going to give it a hug or a little cwtch. So one knee's coming up. And hug. And all. Other knees coming up. Ooh. A hug mewn. Ni'n tri ar pob ochr. Good. One more each side. Na ni, okay, so angen dŵr, cymryd bach o dŵr, na esbonio beth ni'n neud. I'll explain what we're going to do. 5 cardio movements, okay? Gweithio a munud, we're going to work for a minute every time. Gyda gorffwys yn y canol with a little break in between, okay? Yr un gyntaf, high skip, skip uchel. Ni gyd yn skipo, fi'n neud hwn pan fi'n mynd i o'r llath. Ond tro ma ni'n mynd lan. Okay, so big skips lan. Bydd ni'n gweithio'n 30 eiliad, rest a 30 eiliad arall. Okay? Outside flick, flick i'r ochr. So, bydd ni'n just jogo, a ni moyn flick i'r ochr trad. Bydd ni'n neud hwn am 30 eiliad, rest, a ni'n cadw mlaen. So, just dod mas, a little touch bach. Okay? Jog a cylch y braich. What on earth is that, ti'n conclude, okay? So ni'n jogo, a ni'n neud cylch yn y braich ni. Okay, first time, mewn i ti mewn at pen fi. Second 30, ni'n mynd mas, okay? Mae hwn yn gweithio'r chest, a ni wastad symud, tra'r yn dod off y llawr. Mae calon fi'n dechrau mynd nawr. Okay, nesa, naid a traed gyflym, okay? So ni'n mynd i plygu, big jump, quick feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nôl lan. Plygu lawr, big jump, a cadw mlaen. Jump mawr, 5 eiliad, byddai gweithio mas, so ti'n gallu gwneud e gyda fi, okay? A wedyn, burpees, oh na. Burpees ar y llawr, gorau lawr, okay? Ni'n popo lan, jump lan, a wedyn nôl. Cofio rhoi dwylo chi lawr, cicio mas, mewn, jump lan. I told you we're going to sweat in it. Okay, so pawb yn barod. Na I just cael cardio ni'n neud. Mae'n gweud ready. Okay, fi'n cael sip o dŵr, fi'n ofnus. This is going to be tough. Ond, pam ddim? Mae fe'n dywyll ti fas, mae gyd y golau fi arno, okay, all my lights are on. Energy bills are going through the roof, bach bach. Okay. Trusty timer. Woo. Secret passcode. Okay, ni'n dechrau gyda high skip. Get it out. High skip. Okay, big skips lan. Ni'n mynd lan. Cofio, breichen, bwysig, arms are important, opposite, okay? Os ti'n gallu weld fi, big skips lan. Os ti angen bounce bach, hwnna'n fine, hwnna'n skipo. Byn i arno, 154. Oh my. First 30 seconds, we had 154 beats per minute. Mae bach o science, okay? And the higher you go, the harder your heart is working. Okay. That's all. Big skips. If you've got a low ceiling, be careful. Keep breathing, cadw'n adlu. Trwy troi'n, mas trwy ceg. Mae'r golau reit mewn gwyneb fi fan hyn. Da iawn, wneud yr ochr. Da iawn pawb. 146, well. Falle mae Cal yn meddwl, oh, we know what's going on now. Outside flicks. So ti'n gallu neud e o sefyll, standing, a wedyn, bounce o mewn, a wedyn, build o fel an, okay? 10 eiliad. 3. Oh, funny. Outside flicks. Os chi moyn yn mynd mewn cylch. Hwnna'n lan I chi. If you want to go in a circle, that's fine. Keep working for 30 seconds. Lot o sesiwn yn ni, all o timing. Os ti'n mynd really gyflym a wedyn so lawr, that's not the idea. Cadw at pace chi'n gallu neud. Keep the same pace. Os ti'n mynd really gyflym o'r diwedd, ti just fel flopan. So ni moyn na. Fel y marathon, go at the sim yn y pace trwyddo. Okay, don't burn out. Bam, barod. A tro. I'll go the other way around. Into the light. Cofio darllen heddi, remember to read today, book day. Cadw fynd. For Frodo and the Shire, pawb. Coesau. Jog a cylchau braich nesaf, os ti angen sip o dŵr. Ni'n mynd I jogan. A neud y cylchau. 136? Well. It's got to work harder, boys. Come on, Steph. We'll drop on now, 131. Achos ni'n cwro. Okay. Okay, try and dod off the llawr. Feet are coming off the floor. Circles into my head. Yn edrych fel fi bwrw fi hunan. Looks like I'm punching myself. Oh. Can we go a bit quicker? Arms are going quicker. I could be washing a car now, don't I? Steph's car washing service. Oh, hamstrings yn dechrau mynd yn date. Okay. Caro symud. Tro yma fi'n mynd y ffordd arall. Okay. Wax on a wax off. 163. Woohoo! A mas. Na'n siŵr cael 170 falle, fe? Test bach. Caro fynd. Y sgwydden gweithio galed, shoulders are working hard. Coesau mynd flat out fyd. 8 eiliad, come on then, 8 seconds. Oh. 138, how am I? Central plan. Okay. Naid a try gyflym. We're going to do the jump and quick feet. Bydd hwn yn tough fi'n credu. And ni ei trad gyflym am 5 eiliad. We'll do fast feet for 5 seconds. Wedyn no lan, okay? Socks lan. We mean business. Okay. Naid lan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big jump. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. 126. No way. Mwy na na. Cofia pan i'n neud y jumps. Ni'n plygu lawr. Big jump lan. Soft knees pan i'n dod nôl. Not straight leg. Plygu lan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, gadw fynd. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we get another jump in? 1, come on! Gadw fynd! Oh! Da iawn. 1 set ola, last set. Burpees. Behind dŵr. 161. Oh! Calon gweithio. Oh! Pam gwybod beth i'n gwneud burpees? Lawr, dwylo mas, break the fall, cicio mas, cicio nôl mewn, jump. Lawr, cicio mas, mewn, jump, lawr. Lawr. Cofio cicio mas a cicio nôl mewn. Cic mas, mewn, jump. Da iawn pawb. Hwn yn tough. Ooh. 99 calories wedi llosgi. Ooh. 100, yay! Da iawn. O, ni nôl. Come on, 30 eiliad, job done. Cwl lawr wedyn. Good. Cico mas, mewn. Jump, wneud siwr ni'n jump o lan. Kevin syth pan i'n neud e. I looked at myself and it wasn't straight. Good. Deg eiliad, come on it. Gadw fynd. Oh. Cerdded rown yn eich lle. Walk around in your little area. Oh. Os oedd cap arno, I would doff my cap. Oh, hold on. I'd doff my cap to you all. Good session fanna. So, even though ni'n newid stopo, heart rate fi'n dod lawr. Achos mae'r body'n meddwl, okay, so ni'n gweithio nawr, cool o lawr. 1-3-3. Shiglo coesau a breichau mas. Shake your legs and arms out. Tro ma, fel yn y twyno lan, ewn ni wneud y football passes on slow, okay? Just fel, okay? Fel ti'n wneud slow pass. Falle straight leg fyd. Ond ddim byd gryf, nothing strong. Just moyn y gwad mynd mewn, want the blood to go there, flush everything out. Fel tŷ bach. Okay, flushio popeth mas, job done. Fi'n gwybod mae Stephen yn hoffi wneud y stretch yma. Penglin lan, mas a lawr, okay? Coes arall. Balance. Mas a lawr. 3 pob ochr. Da iawn pawb, hwnna'n sesiwn da. If I do say so myself. Fi'n chwysu. Good. A nôl mewn. So mas I fewn. Cau y gat. Close the gate. Starting wide. Dod o nôl mewn. 1 more each side. Okay, feed the chickens, okay, bwyd o'r cywiar. Wedi weld, wneud hwn o blaen dy fi. Plygu 1 penglin, okay. So fel hyn, plygu, un arall yn dod mas, flat, and scatter the feed, swap o droso, penglin, that's it. Gallu teimlo y coesau fi. Nice and slow. Scatter the feed, okay. Oh. Cwbl. Da iawn. Okay. Bydd Steve nôl gyda chi fori. Mae cyfrifiad y shreds wedi torri. Hwna pam so fe'n neud e. Ond mae shreds syniad da, so mae wedi gweud, Steve a Steph, gobeithio hwn yn iawn? Ie, mae'n iawn. So, di Gwener fori, sesiwn gyda Steve, hanner i nawr, Facebook, YouTube, a athrawon, a mae fe arno Microsoft Teams hefyd. Diolch am ymuno dy fi, a wel chi'n fian. Cadw saff, ta-ra!